Question 10 offers us a fairly conventional SOH question. Effectively, we've got two right-angled triangles back to back. We've been asked to work out the perimeter of this shape. So to do that, we really need to know the length of AB, which incidentally is the same as the length of BC. Applying SOH TOA to the left-hand side, we've got a hypotenuse, we've got an adjacent. We're not interested in the opposite, so anything with opposite in SOH TOA is rejected. So I can say, and I would suggest you always write this down, don't try to be clever and jump the gun. So you can say that cos 38 is equal to the adjacent 9.3 divided by x. Rearranging the furniture, x is equal to 9.3 divided by cos 38. Pop that into a calculator and get 11.80186. Okay, using the accurate result, we get the perimeter, it's 2x plus 2 lots of 9.3, which is 18.6. We know x, put that into a calculator and get 42.2037, which to 3 significant figures, so our cut will be here. So this is 42.2 centimeters, and that is to 3 significant figures. And that's your answer.